Yep, that's him. Having a little snooze and relaxing. Lying on his back. You relaxing, Dammy? Hey? You don't want me to touch your paw? Come on, give me a handshake. Give me a handshake. Alright. I'm ready for my close, Mr. DeMille. And these are the branches that I cut off the smaller apple tree. And you can see that the hares have been here and just stripping the bark off. It's okay for them to do it on these branches that I've cut down, but it's not so nice if they actually do it on the tree. Which is what they have done on this apple tree here. All along there. You see they've just been stripping the bark off it. That's not so good. I'll have to get some protection on that. But the snow, and this is about 80 centimeters high, giving protection to the main stump, but it doesn't protect from here. So that's not so good. You can see how they've just stripped the bark off. That there is where I'm growing my raspberries. And the neighbour, he had lots of oak leaves, and I said to him, can I come and take away your leaves? And he said, yeah, take them away. So I've covered the ground, and also between the raspberries to try and keep the weeds down. This sort of oak leaf mulch. And this here is some plantings of raspberries that I put in a new area. And they've survived the winter well. But if you look at the tops of every cane, it's been eaten. That one's been eating. That one's been eating. That one's been chopped off there. Every single one chopped off. It's the hares, when the snow is just so high and there's little bits of cane poking out the ground, then they come and they just eat it. So what can you do? I think that is just beginning to break bud there, that little cane on the raspberries. And again they're covered with leaves.
Rabbit alert! Incoming!